Hi friends, now I am going to show you how you can create a professional letterhead using MS Word, something like this. So this is the letterhead which I made using MS Word. So now I will show you how you can create this. So just I am closing this. Just open the MS Word. So now I am taking the blank document. So this is the blank document. So now click here at layout, and size should be A4 size. I'm taking A4 size, and orientation keep as it is, and margins you can select narrow. So narrow. So now I'm going home, click on insert and shapes, go to flowchart. In the flowchart I am selecting this manual input. This is flowchart, and keep the cursor here. Drag as much as you want, something like that. So now here shape out no outline, and keep as it is. And here I'm selecting, and this gold accent 4 light 40%. So I'm selecting this. So now I'm adjust like this. Okay, right. So just copy it, click on home page and copy and paste, something like that. So now click on design, insert, and click on format, and now I'm selecting this color, blue color, and keep the something like this. Okay, again copy it and paste, click on paste. So this time again click on the insert, format. This time select the dark blue. Okay, so this is the blue color. Now save outline. So this is the dark blue. Okay, click on insert and select word art and select first something like. Yes, home, and keep it as center. Now click on insert. This time select the text box and select draw text box. Okay, you can drag here. Something like this. Select format, no outline, and save fill, no fill. So text is white, and select font size should be 14. Here I am typing address. So select it and copy and paste. You can change address here. Now I want to place the logo here. So for that, click on insert and select pictures, this device. So logo here, actually which is a different logo. So double click on it and click on wrap text, select in front of text. Yes, resize it as much as you want and place here. I selected this logo because it's very colorful. So I made a logo using a David web deck, but which is not colorful. So I just selected this logo as it is as colorful. So like that. Now, I am again click on design and select watermark and select custom watermark. Here choose pixel watermark and select the logo from a file. So I will select the same logo and here scale I will take scale as 100% and washout click should be here at the washout and apply it, close it. So this is the front, this is the watermark just selected. Now so let's come to the footnote section. Again click on insert, this time choose rectangle shape, and draw something like this. Right, and show shape outline, no outline, and this time color should be different. So this is the color which I want and select it and copy it and paste. Yes, something like this. So for this I will select a different color, click on format, so shape fill. Yes, drag little bit down here, little bit down here, copy the same text box. This time I am using a shortcut key Ctrl C and a Ctrl V for paste. So yes, so here I am giving mobile number and website, something like that, and a website. So at the header section, address, I placed the address there, and at the bottom of the foot section I gave the contact details, mobile number, website, something like that. So another one I want to place here at the bottom section, barcode. So for that go to insert, click on pictures, click on this device and select this barcode. Sorry, barcode disappeared. Double click here at open place. Now again go to insert, this device, select the barcode. Yes, this is the barcode which I made using canva.com. So select it, double click on it, go to click on format and wrap text, click on in front of. So now it moves freely. when you click on in front of text icon. Right. So this is the barcode. If someone scan it, they will see your virtual business card, so which contains your address, phone number, all details. This barcode which I made by using canva.com, Canva website. So in coming days I will show you how you can create barcode, something like. So in this video particularly I focused on letterhead. So few more things to be added here. Again click on insert text box, click on draw text box. Now this is the final part of this video. Just drag like this, something like that. Okay, here I want to type here reference something like that. And click on use tab, give space like that. Okay, now save out, click on save outline, no fill. So this is the final part of this video. So like this you can design a professional letterhead using MS Word. So simple, friends. So final point is, if you wanna print outside, so go to file, click on file, click on export, change file type, save as, click on save as, click select PDF this time. So I wanna save it on the desktop, so save it. So let's open that letterhead. So this is the letterhead, friends. So you can print directly, so by print on bond papers. So the letterhead should be nice. So that's it, friends. Like this you can create letterhead. You can create professional letterhead by using MS Word. I hope you like this video. So for more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel.